What's going down, baby? Tony Rowdy. Got my nigga Joe, my nigga Fiend, my nigga Julian. Swag Boys. We the Swag Boy Squad, baby. Huh? Check out the new swag. Hell yeah. Go get you some motherfucking bees and a 50-cent berry, baby, from the motherfucking machine.
Fuck all that diamond chain bullshit.
Fuck all that shit, nigga. Stay swagging with a Superman with a cape, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Shit. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I bet you anything, you know what I'm saying? I bet you in the month.
Yeah.
Everybody
Y'all put it on
everything.
No lie.
The hoes, I suppose.
You ready?
I'm ready. You ready? You ready? I'm ready. It's a motherfucking remix, nigga. Soulja Boy ain't got shit on me, nigga. Drake music, nigga. Check it out. I bet you'll be a judge of that. I'm on a mission, trying to make it to the top. And I don't need no breaks, cause I don't plan to stop. A lot of y'all rappers ain't got things you rap about. I'm stuck in the drought, hoping that I make it out. I'm still trying to figure out the main picture in life. Sometimes you gotta do it wrong just to get it right. I wanna take flights on my private jet. I gotta stay dedicated cause I ain't made it yet. But love from my city and my hood is all I get. I see people that I know, it's like we never met. It's like if they forget who they real homies are. So I relax with my drink in my handlebars. I wanna be successful, so I break mics like pencils. I spit what I feel, so my punchlines are painful. I wanna be the person that you thought I wouldn't be. And fuck your criticisms, I'ma be the way I wanna be. Hey, hold up. I suppose. Smoking switches to this shit, nigga.
Yeah.
Smoking Philly blunt, cigaretto with that hydro, baby. Baby, I'm from the scene with codeine. You know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. Ace time. Alright, check it out. All my life, I dreamed about this life I'm living, and in my dream I'm that nigga that just keeps on winning. I'm fully loaded with women and keep these niggas tripping. I spit the truth when I'm in the booth, that's why they listen. Diamonds glisten on my neck, mouth and wrist. I bet y'all never thought that I would end up like this. And yeah, it got you pissed cause now I treat y'all like I don't exist, and all I wanted was respect, but I got haters said. And now I'm riding solo with nobody next to me, and I don't trip about it cause I guess it wasn't meant to be. It ain't my destiny to fail and just break down, but rise above the ground, baby, and hold it down. Too many times I've been treated fitting like a secret, kept away from the world, now it's time for my freedom. I want to be the person that you thought I wouldn't be, and fuck your criticisms, I'm going to be the way I want to be. Yeah. The whole. That's it. I just wanna be successful. Tap down, hey. I just wanna be successful. Fuck it, I'm on.